Welcome to Johnson & Perrott in Douglas and Cork. I have pleasure to show you this beautiful 181 Nissan QASHQAI 1.2 Petrol. The spec car has sat-nav, reversing camera, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and a speed limiter. 17-inch alloy wheels. And a very spacious boot. Further details of this beautiful 181 1.2 turbo petrol Nissan QASHQAI, please contact us at jpmg.ie or call us on 021 4916 340 or simply drop into our showrooms where we'll be delighted to assist you. Thank you.